Acknowledging that I was suffering mental health was absolutely terrifying. I didn't want it to be real. Judgment, criticism, stigma. I was dismissed and told it was normal teenage mood swings. Attempting to take my life nightly while drowning inside. No eye contact, no smiling. Medication and counselling helped, but I needed more. Limited mental health support in rural towns. No psychologist, no psychiatrist, resulting in being transported to larger rural towns. Diagnosed and treated by nurses or general medical professionals. I have to travel to receive treatment and support, and frankly, it adds to the struggle. When I connect back to land, back to culture, my mind clears. Stresses go away. I feel so at ease, and I'm living in the moment. I'm exploring my connection to my culture and to my mob.